Hello, hello! Welcome to my kitchen. It's Ala. I'm the pastry chef. I've got over 10 years of experience in cooking and baking. I've learned from top chefs all over the world, and of course I've been experimenting in my kitchen for quite a while sometime. Now I wanted to shoot you a really quick video message just to say that the waitlist for our baking and pastry course is finally opening up. This course only runs once a year, so I really don't want you to miss out. A lot of our students are waiting literally a year to get onto this course. Now, the course is a 10-week baking and pastry course, which will teach you everything about baking and pastry that you need to know. I've combined all my knowledge literally in 10 weeks. So if you were to do this type of course outside of this online course, it would take you around 2 to 3 years to learn all the skills that I am giving to you in this 10-week course. The course is split into 10 weeks where you're going to learn 4 different recipes every week depending on your level. So if you're a beginner, you will start with a beginner, and if you're intermediate, you will start with intermediate level, and if you're advanced, you will do an advanced recipe. If you wanted to do all of the levels at the same time, you can do that as well. So a lot of my students start with a beginner, do the course through 10 weeks, and then once they feel more confident, then they go through the course again, but just do the second and third level. So technically, you can learn a lot from this course and honestly become a super delicious become a super delicious pastry chef. Yeah, that could work as well, but you're gonna become a super amazing and talented pastry chef, like in Paris, okay? So I invite you to join my waitlist and have so much fun. We're gonna release and let you know when we're gonna open the enrollment if you are on our waitlist. Also, by being on our waitlist, you get $100 off. So I really don't want you to miss on that opportunity. Everyone who is my student always gets on the waitlist. They know they get the best deals. They know I keep my word. If I say you're gonna get on a waitlist and you're gonna get a bonus or $100 off, that is always correct. If I say the price is gonna go up, that is always correct. I stick to my word. I'm a strict teacher, but I'm also very fair. Moreover, you're gonna get lots of bonuses if you get on a waitlist early. We like to reward everybody who is supportive and is eager to learn, because the more you want to learn, the more opportunities come your way. Now, I'm super excited to see you in the course, and put your name down below into the waitlist, and let's get baking very soon. Bye!